All right, everybody, just want to make a quick video and a sound clip on my Ram 1500. It has the JBA Shorty headers installed as of yesterday, and also has a Totalflow 18-inch muffler kit off of Amazon. All in all, I'm into it about 300 bucks, so it's really not an expensive exhaust. However, I did get some good deals on the stuff. We start it up, and then we'll move on to the revs. I'm not sure how well that's coming through, but you can definitely tell it has a deep rumble to it, a little bit louder than stock. Really nice, not too loud, doesn't wake the neighbors, doesn't annoy the wife or kids. All right, let's get some revs on it. Hold on. Alright, like I said, just a little bit louder than stock. I think it sounds pretty decent for what it is. Like I said, $300 into the exhaust. I got the headers for 150 bucks, and then the kit off of Amazon cost me 85 bucks because I had a gift card, or 80 bucks, whatever it was. Anyways, hope you enjoy the sound. If you're thinking about doing something like this, I'd recommend it, especially if you can get it for the cheap price that I did.